Hi everybody, welcome back to My Mom's Recipe Box Taste Test Tuesday.
Facebook, YouTube.
Yep, so today we have a special treat for you. We are trying Wegmans plant-based meatballs, but with a special sauce.
Who made that sauce?
I made that sauce.
And if people want to find out how to make that sauce,
Stay tuned to our full recipe coming out soon.
video. Okay.
So without further ado, babe,
Let's
cheers.
Do it. Cheers. Ooh, meatballs.
They're just so good.
So
The
good.
meatballs are very beefy tasting.
They are.
The sauce is a little sweet, a little spicy, and a lot of mwah.
You'll find out how to make it on the full-length video coming soon.
Come back. And in the meantime, my mom's Facebook,
Recipe.
YouTube, recipe box.
Everywhere. Share,
Tune in.
share, like, watch right now, eat right now. Bye-bye.
Bye.